How to fix installation error 0x1900209 in Windows 11 24s2. Hello friends, error 0x1900209 seems to appear when trying to install Windows 11 24s2. The error message is what needs your attention. The following things need your attention to continue the installation and keep your Windows settings, personal files and apps. The error message may show the name of problematic software. The issue mostly occurs when incompatible software is creating obstructions during the installation process. Follow the steps to fix it. Step 1. Uninstall the problematic app. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Find the incompatible app in the list. Several users complain about VirtualBox. If you find this software in the list, click on the three dots, select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. Close the settings and check if any leftover exists. Click on File Explorer icon. Go to the C drive where Windows is installed. Go to Users folder. Find your username and open the folder. Here is .virtualbox. Select this folder and delete. Now click on View. Go to Show. Check Hidden Items. Hidden items must be checked. Go to App Data folder. Open Local. Here is no folder related to VirtualBox. Now go to Local. VirtualBox doesn't exist. Now go to Roaming. Here also VirtualBox is not found. Restart your computer and then run the setup file or install the update. If any other software is conflicting or creating problem, then first uninstall that software and find the leftover in the username folder and delete it. If more than one software is creating problem, then repeat the same process. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.